Hey everybody! Preposition are words which show us the relationship between a noun or pronoun and the other parts of the sentence. Prepositions usually indicate the time, direction and place. Let's learn with some examples. About. The cab is about 5 minutes away. About is the preposition. It indicates the time. The kite flies above the clouds. Above indicates the place. The clouds are the common noun here. Let's go across the bridge. Across is the preposition word. Before the bridge, a common noun. After. I come after you. After is the preposition before the pronoun you and indicates the time. Against. The crows flew against the tree. Against is the preposition before the common noun tree, indicating direction. Along. She came along with her pet. Along is the preposition that comes before the common noun. Pet, indicating place and movement. He sat among the birds. Among is the preposition before the common noun birds. Around. I will come around 6 p.m. Around is the preposition indicating time. I am at the school lobby. At the is the preposition here, which comes before the common noun school lobby. Before. I was before time for class. Before is the preposition here, which comes before common noun time. Share this preposition lesson with your friends.